Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce Sales Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Salesforce Sales Cloud, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Salesforce, which is salesforce.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your Salesforce username. Type your username into the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. If your organization uses a security token, ensure you enter it after your password, separated by a comma. Review your credentials for accuracy. If your details are correct, click the Login button below the password field. Wait for the page to load. This may take a moment. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Salesforce Sales Cloud dashboard. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection and re-enter your credentials. Should you forget your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. As a final check, ensure your browser is up to date for optimal performance with Salesforce. You are now successfully logged into Salesforce Sales Cloud and ready to use its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.